In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish forms with GetFormly. We'll start by opening the GetFormly website, logging into your account, and heading to the dashboard. From there, select Create Form, and if the option is available, choose to start with a blank form. This gives you full control over the structure from the very beginning. Next, give your form a clear and descriptive name based on what it's for. That could be something like a customer feedback form, a client intake form, a contact form, or an event registration form. Using a specific name now makes it much easier to stay organized later, especially if you end up creating multiple forms. Once your form is named, add your first question. Click to add a question, choose the question type that best matches the information you want to collect, and start with something simple, like asking for a respondent's name. If that information is essential, mark the question as required so it can't be skipped. From there, continue building out the form with different question types. You might use short text for quick answers, long text for detailed responses, email fields for contact details, multiple choice or drop downs when you want users to select from set options, and ratings when you want fast feedback. The key is choosing the format that makes the question easiest to answer accurately. As you build, customize each question carefully. Refine the wording, add short descriptions where needed, and keep everything clear and easy to understand. It also helps to avoid combining multiple questions into one, since that can confuse respondents and reduce response quality. You can also add conditional logic to make the form feel smarter and more personalized. For example, if someone says they are interested in your services, you can show a follow-up question asking which service they need. If they say no, that follow-up can be skipped. This keeps the form relevant and avoids unnecessary questions. If you want to create your own custom forms faster, you can also check out GetFormly using the affiliate link in the description. Now let's keep going. Next, open the design settings and customize the form's appearance. Choose a theme or layout, adjust the colors, and add your branding or logo if available. Try to keep the design clean, professional, and consistent. Then add a short welcome message at the beginning. Briefly explain what the form is for and what kind of information respondents should expect to provide. At the end, create a custom thank you screen so users know their submission was successful. If GetFormly offers AI form creation, you can use it to generate a starting draft. Just describe the kind of form you want, let the platform create an initial version, and then edit anything that doesn't match your needs. Before publishing, click preview and go through the entire form like a real respondent. Check the layout questions, required fields, branding, navigation, and any logic rules. Then submit a test response using sample information and confirm that the response appears correctly in your dashboard. Once everything looks good, click Publish and copy the form URL. That published version is the one you'll share. Finally, do one quick review of the title, questions, question types, required fields, logic, branding, welcome message, thank you.